This is what banana way does. Let me show you what it really do. I'm going to grab the thing away from them, and we'll see what's their reaction. Alright, come on, Ree. This is an example of why kids shouldn't watch TV and read books instead.
Give me that!
It's just cruel, man.
Scream!
Good. Banana? Go get one banana.
They turn violent. That's why you don't watch Banana Way. It's rated R. And a 1-year-old and a 3. Excuse what? Did you just? Oh, I thought she took off her diaper. All right, let's give them the movie back. Give it to Nayden. Go down. Why you give it to the small one? Go get it. Go get it. Go get Banana Way. Give it to Nayden. You guys go watch it somewhere. Go watch it over there. Come sit on the couch.
What? What?
They gonna get it.
What?
This one's for YouTube, JR.
You report me, I'm gonna throw that thing.
I'm just kidding. It's not going on YouTube. Sheesh. This is why people shouldn't be afraid of cameras. Cereal box. He's like, if you record me, I'm gonna throw that thing away. Nina, why are you hiding with the Banana Way? Carl, you wanna watch Banana Way? Bruh, she got camera fright. That's what I'm wearing, Ree. This is the TV in the house. Not that big. It's pretty good though. Reba. This is thing 1 and thing 2. Getting mad about Banana Way. How much what? They're like, only use the black one because I have to save the other ones. For that pack, I think it was 4 something, almost $5. No, 4 pack for the whole pack. This is kalauni. Kiss Kal. Kiss the camera. Yes, that's Nayden. Say that's Nayden. Say it. Say it. My monkey. 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 Girl. Can I what? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, on hands, yeah. On if you put it on your skin, yeah.
What about the clothes?
I have no idea.
Why is there a point to these other ones? Oh, man.
Those are not open yet. Don't squeeze it. It's gonna bust. My monkey.
Only the black one is open?
My other monkey. What'd you say?
Only the black one?
Yeah.
What about the... Why you getting white for?
It came in the pack. I only got those colors because they were the brightest ones and I'm putting it on black shirts.
You opened the white one?
No.
How do you open it?
You gotta unscrew the thing and then there's like a thing covering the hole. A zebra and a cheetah.
Why do you use the white ones?
Nope.
Why?
Nope.
You opened it?
No.
Oh.
It's not that I look white.
Oh. I'm gonna use that as the dots on the shirt. The dots. 21 is gonna be the dots.
This is pretty.
No, I don't think so.
Hey, look.
What?
Horsey.
That's not a horsey. That's a zebra. 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 Bye, monkey.
Monkey. Okay, I'm not seeing it.
Ouch.
Every day.
It's okay, guys.
Like, this is made for clothes?
Ow, ow.
Sorry, Cal.
Every
It's for clothes. You can put it on shoes. You can put it on pants.
Or you can just
Yeah, you can like get a white shoe and stuff. Right. What are you? Why are you digging in my pocket? Don't dig in my pocket. I wish this was like a camera. Look, God. Say
Oh my
hi.
gosh, this is the best clip
Hi.
ever.
Hi.
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 What's this? Yeah, I got it because Wendy liked the blue.